Hi guys, welcome to IncycloHub. In this video, we are discussing Master of Arts, Folklore and Cultural Studies from IGNOU University. If you have, if you want detailed information, you can save this numbers. 9009368238 is my number. On this number, you can send a message. You can take a detailed paid consultancy. Now let's discuss about the course. MAFCS, Master of Arts, Folklore and Cultural Studies. So, folklore is one of the upcoming areas of research and pedagogy. The modular MAFCS program, the first year program being PGDFCS, aims at creating a pool of specialized folklorists who can create a niche of themselves in field of study like teaching in research departments and colleges and universities, libraries, museums, archives and historical association, cultural councils, national centers of arts, publishing houses, funding agency, and central and government institutions, agriculture, rural sociology, extension, medicine, and nursing, women's studies, African American studies, popular culture, English and foreign language, literature department, translators, interpreters, curators, musicologists, teachers, artists, performers, and many more. So lots of culture, lots of fields are available for this. And eligibility for this course is bachelor degree. If you have a bachelor degree, you can do this course, and medium of the instruction is English. Duration of this course is minimum duration is 24 months and maximum duration is 48 months. So at least you need to invest your 24 months in this course. 7,000 per year is the fees. It means 14,000 rupees for full course and 300 rupees as a registration fee. Exam fees is not included. International, this program is not offered for international students. Now let's discuss the course structure. In the year 1, you can see there are, and year 2, there are only 10 papers are given. After clearing all the papers, you will get a certificate of this course. And if you have other query or you want to know about this course more, so you can get a paid consultancy, you can get a solve assignments, previous year solve papers, gas papers, and project and many more. Thank you so much and have a nice day.